Hey everybody, welcome to the show.
Hi!
All right, let's talk about dinner. Mussels, steamed mussels. What do you say?
How tempting, yet instead of doing that, let's just do chicken pot pie.
I'm not gonna do chicken pot pies. I say steamed mussels.
Chicken pot pie.
Mussels.
Chicken pot pie.
I wanna do mussels.
Chicken pot pie.
Mussels.
Chicken pot pie.
Mussels.
Pie.
Mussels.
Pot pie.
I got an idea. Let's do mussels pot pie. How does that sound? We're gonna steam these beautiful mussels with butter, olive oil, oyster mushrooms covered in this beautiful blanket of dough. And we're gonna bake it chicken pot pie style.
Bring the idea. Let's do it.
Let's go. My name's John Conley, AKA Johnny Brava.
I'm Conley, AKA the Leftover King.
I own 3 restaurants in Flagstaff, Arizona. And there's nothing I love more than raiding my kitchens with my son Adam, so we can come home and mash up our favorite foods. This is John and Adam Raid the Kitchen.
Adam and then John.
Did you get all the ingredients?
Yes.
Excellent, excellent. Let me tell you what we're gonna do. So traditionally, mussels fra diavolo are served with crostinis, with garlic and basil and red chili, and you take the crostini, you dip it in there with the butter and the olive oil and put a steamed mussel on it, and down it goes. It's very delicious. But you want chicken pot pie style, so that's what we're gonna do. What do you say? You ready?
Let's go.
Excellent. All right, let's talk about these mussels. These are from Prince Edward Island, from Pier 22. These are the most delicious farmed mussels. They come from really beautiful farms vetted all over the world. They're delicious. We order on Monday, they get harvested. We get them on Wednesday or Thursday. They're fresh, they're beautiful, they're sweet. Can you count me out and give me 20, please, right here?
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
14,
14, 15,
13,
16,
18,
no,
27, 19. How many is that?
I don't know.
20.
I thought you were
One more.
counting.
And 20. Good
20.
job.
Stop messing me up.
We'll put these over here. I need some tomatoes to be cut, please. Right here. Give me 4 of those cut in half.
Oh, scoot.
Scoot. Your kitchen. That's perfect. Nice. One more, please. Nice, that's it. You ready to get started? Boom. Oh, you left me hanging. So this is Trifoglio extra virgin olive oil first press. It's great for sauteing. This is gonna be the start to your mussels fra diavolo chicken pot pie Adam style. You ready?
Ready as you are.
All right, put it in there. Beautiful. Here's some butter. Here's some garlic. Yep, nice. All right, why don't you toss that around with the pan? All right, here's some red chili. A little bit of sugar. A little bit of salt. Some tomatoes, these beautiful heirloom cherry tomatoes. Nice. A little bit of lemon. Beautiful. Some wonderful Pinot Grigio. Couple good glugs. That's perfect right there. That's good. What are you doing? You're supposed to go in the mussels. That's enough. That's plenty. Here is some basil. Excellent. Move that pan around a little bit. A little bit of San Marzano tomatoes. All right. Here you go, bud. Beautiful mussels. Right on in there. Put the pan right on top, turn it over, and we're gonna let those do their magic. Let them steam for about 4 minutes. And the secret ingredient while those are steaming are oyster mushrooms. Can you take and cut some of those up real quick? So these oyster mushrooms are provided from Markon. This is our produce company. Their undersides have these deep gills that they take on butter and olive oil, and they absorb those beautiful flavors. Nice. Ready? Go ahead. Beautiful. Thank you.
Likewise.
All right, come on over here.
Ah!
And then just dump them right in there. Beautiful. All right, let's do some dough. We're gonna cover this up in a beautiful blanket of dough. Let me roll this out and I'm gonna have you put it right on top of there, buddy, okay? So this is the dough that we use for our Neapolitan pizzas at Fat Olives. Cooks at 800 degrees in 90 seconds. We're gonna make a little blanket here. Remember how I showed you to put that on? You wanna put that blanket over there? Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Yes. Right around the side, this side, nice. There is your Fra Diavolo.
It looks like a mummy.
It looks great. In 1 second, I'll get you a peel. Right there, set it right there, buddy.
Okay, like touch this?
Yep, pick it up.
Ah!
It's not even hot, put it on there. Come on. All right, I'm gonna rotate it this way. You wanna pick this up and go slide that into the oven, please? It's all you, buddy. Perfect. Perfect. So this is going to take about 90 seconds, 800 degrees, 90 seconds.
Don't hold your breath. Yes.
No, it's going to be great. All right, here we go. You ready? Oh my goodness. All right. Over to the cutting board. Beautiful. Right there. Set it on down there. Ooh, salivating. What do you think? Does that look like chicken pot pie?
Yes.
This is the new, improved Mussels Fra Diavolo chicken pot pie style Adamski Conley. Yes. All the way down. Oh, and just peel that bread back.
Ah!
There you go, all the way back. Oh my goodness. This is the money shot. Look at that. This is how it's done. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Put that on there. Oh. Oh. Isn't that good? Oh, nice. I mean, come on. It's as good as it gets. Dude, this is so good. You got the butter, the olive oil, heirloom cherry tomatoes. You get it all. The Pinot Grigio, the garlic, these oyster mushrooms. They just absorbed all that goodness. And then the mussels, the Prince Edward Island mussels. This is as good as it gets. I mean, look at this. Look at how plump and juicy that is. That is a healthy mussel right there. What do you think of the Prince Edward Island? Yeah, you can wear it, it's all right. What do you think of the Prince Edward Island Mussels Fra Diavolo chicken pot pie style? What do you think?
Really good.
How many stars are you giving this?
6.
That's a big hit. Here you have it, Mussels Fra Diavolo from Prince Edward Island, Pier 22, chicken pot pie style. That's good. For more information about all the Shamrock ingredients that we use today, check out the link below.
Don't forget, like, subscribe, follow, and leave a comment for the Conleys.
Hey, thanks for watching, everybody.
Bye.